Haha, Allie, you're the first one to use the Chesty.
Oh, Daddy, look at me. Look at me. Mommy, where's Daddy?
I don't know. He's right there in the very
Look at me, Daddy.
Huh? I like it.
Why was there 5 bites?
They don't have 5 bites. Tell them.
1, 2. That's because the other.
Oh. Come here.
Can you put sunscreen on with Daddy?
That.
This is a pretty cool bike holder though, huh?
Daddy, it's taking a video, you know.
Are you taking videos now?
Yeah.
I didn't know it was turned on. Is it turned on? Turn this way.
It's
Alright, look up
turned
at me.
on. No face.
What do you mean no face? What does that mean?
It's the most important part.
What does that mean no face?
No pace. You said no pace. Two.
Now I'm going to do your legs. Just hold still.
I'll lift those up. I still see white.
Actually, I do want to get up here. This is where...
I still see white.
All right, hang on.
And more white. I still see white in the front.
Hold still. Don't move. Don't move.
What about the others?
I'm going to get the other. Hang on.
There.
Hang on. One more here.
Okay.
But I still need to get your face.
Facey.
I'm going to get the other stuff for your face, okay? There's some other stuff. I'm going to get some other stuff.
All friends to me. So friends.
Did you get her cheeks?
I haven't. I'm going to do it with this stuff. It doesn't leave that white residue. Are you excited for school tomorrow?
Yeah.
What do you think you're going to do with... Are you doing anything more with the freeze?
Yeah.
Oh, you have more to do? All right. I got to get your right cheek. I got to get your right face cheek and your left butt cheek.
Hey.
What?
Daddy, you got a butt cheek. A butt cheek.
Where's your left butt cheek?
Dude.
Oh, I was gonna put that cooler thing in the cooler.
Where's your left? You little shaker.
You know, the one thing nice about you having long hair is you don't have to wear sunscreen on your neck. Look up high, look up high. Look up high at the sky.
I don't need it on my chest.
Oh, yeah, you do.
No, look. No, I don't.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready. Is it taking a video, Mom? It's taking a video of Daddy.
Do you know where you're going?
Say something, Dad.
It's not video, is it?
It is.
It's running video now?
Yeah.
The video is on?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Hi, YouTube land. Hello.
Hi, YouTube. Mommy. Look at this rock. It's in the car. I told Daddy's. I got one handbrake and I got a holder for my water bottle.
Awesome.
If you wanted a holder, that's two. I know how to use.
Yeah,
I know how to do it.
Okay.
Every day I do it.
Okay.
Well, almost every day. I got a basket in front of mine. When do we bike?
Let's go to this here.
It might have what? Yeah, but Mommy, I'm gonna follow this trail. Mommy, my bike is stuck. Is there a creek?
Look at all the stuff people lost. Everyone lost their little thing for their wheel, earbud, some gloves. Okay, so this is Phil's tripod. We need to find Marvin's garden. Phil's. Does it say up here? Grand Slam, Ticket to Ride. Voodoo. Voodoo Child. Oh, here. You are here. Marvin's garden. Okay. So you are here. It's huge. Alright, let's go find Daddy. Ready to find your dad?
Mommy! Mommy! Oh.
Is this dirty, huh? You get any owies?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. It's okay. What happened? Did you go over that bump and lose control?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta be careful on bumps. You gotta kind of hold the handlebar tight, especially on bumps, and let your legs and arms kind of loosen up, but handlebars tight.
Which way are we headed?
Yeah, let's go talk to Dad about that.
Daddy, which way are we headed?
We're heading the way those three people are going, right behind you.
Yeah. Oh, did you talk to someone?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it just a down and back?
It looks like it, yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's, if you go,
Because it's like you are here, and then it's Marvin's garden, I guess.
at some point I think we do cross a creek. I don't know.
Mommy, when are we gonna go?
I have to tighten my shoes. Allie, did you fall already?
Yeah,
Did it hurt?
a little.
I wouldn't use it. It works. It's just the front wheels and stuff rubbing on it.
Mommy, I got flowers on it.
You do have flowers in there.
You, Allie, you practice your brakes, okay?
Okay.
How's this looking? Pretty good still?
Yeah. So is it off or on?
It's on still. Here. Let's reset it.